To replace the power switch on your M150, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a socket wrench, remove the switch cover plate from the pump housing. Using a number 20 torque screwdriver or nut driver, remove the switch assembly. Then, with a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew and disconnect the pump wires from their terminals. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. To reassemble, reattach the switch terminals to the pump wires, taking care to attach them as shown. Then reinstall the switch into the switch cavity. Remove the O-ring from the switch cover plate and coat the O-ring lightly with grease. Then reinsert the O-ring into the switch cover plate. Next, reinstall the switch cover plate, taking care to align the switch actuator on the cover plate with the electrical switch. Ensure the O-ring is seated properly before tightening the switch cover plate.